regulatory approval in Mexico has become a make-or-break milestone for global crypto exchanges, and one platform just cleared both critical hurdles. Bitget has officially registered with Mexico's Tax Administration Service and the Financial Intelligence Unit, positioning itself as one of the few international exchanges fully compliant under the country's tightening AML framework. This isn't just another market entry. It's a strategic play that could redefine how crypto platforms scale across Latin America. The real story isn't just that Bitget Mexico is now operational. It's that regulatory alignment is no longer a checkbox. It's becoming the foundation of trust, user growth, and long-term survival in high-potential but high-risk markets. Bitget's move into Mexico marks a concrete step in its broader Latin America expansion strategy. By securing both SAT and UIF registrations, the exchange has satisfied two of the most stringent compliance requirements for operating in the country. These registrations aren't symbolic. The SAT oversees vulnerable activities, including financial services exposed to money laundering risks, while the UIF monitors financial intelligence and suspicious transaction reporting. Meeting both standards means Bitget can now operate legally within Mexico's formal financial ecosystem, a rare achievement for a global platform. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. This positions Bitget Mexico not just as a trading option, but as a regulated gateway for users seeking legitimacy alongside access to digital assets. Mexico's crypto market has been growing rapidly, driven by rising interest in decentralized finance, remittances, and inflation-resistant assets. With over 125 million users globally, Bitget is leveraging its scale to target one of its largest regional markets. But the significance goes beyond user numbers. Mexico's economic influence in Latin America makes it a strategic hub. Its proximity to the U.S., established financial infrastructure, and growing fintech adoption create a unique environment where compliant crypto platforms can gain regional traction. Bitget's regulatory registration signals a shift from opportunistic market entry to long-term, institutionally viable operations. The deeper mechanism here is trust through compliance. As crypto matures, user behavior is changing. Across Latin America, investors are increasingly favoring platforms that demonstrate regulatory clarity, not just low fees or flashy products. Bitget's CEO Gracie Chen emphasized that understanding local financial systems isn't optional, it's essential for responsible growth. This insight is reshaping the competitive landscape. Exchanges that fail to navigate local regulations risk being sidelined, not by market forces, but by policy. In this context, Bitget's Mexico launch isn't just about access, it's about credibility. The registrations open doors to banking relationships, institutional partnerships, and user acquisition in a region where trust gaps have historically limited crypto adoption. The important part is not just the approval itself, but what it enables. Bitget's universal exchange model, combining crypto, tokenized stocks, commodities, and forex in a single account, relies on seamless cross-border operations. Regulatory alignment in Mexico strengthens that model by reducing legal friction and increasing operational stability. This could accelerate Bitget's ability to roll out multi-asset services across Central and South America, using Mexico as a launchpad. The move also sets a precedent. Compliance isn't a cost center, it's a competitive advantage. Other exchanges eyeing Latin America now face a higher bar. Simply offering trading pairs isn't enough. They'll need to prove they can operate within national frameworks, just as Bitget has done. Still, challenges remain. Regulatory approval doesn't guarantee market dominance. User adoption depends on education, local language support, and product relevance. Mexico's crypto regulations are still evolving, and future enforcement could shift the landscape. There's also no public data on how many other exchanges have secured both SAT and UIF registrations, so the true exclusivity of Bitget's position is still unclear. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The real test will be whether compliance translates into measurable user growth and institutional onboarding over the next 12 to 18 months. The final takeaway is this: Bitget Mexico represents more than a regional launch. It's a signal that the next phase of crypto expansion will be defined by regulation as much as innovation. The exchanges that thrive won't just be the fastest or cheapest, they'll be the ones that build within the rules. For users, this means greater protection. For the market, it means a shift towards sustainability. And for competitors, it means the race just got harder. The next signal to watch, whether other major exchanges follow with similar registrations or get left behind.